Hello everybody, my name is PHAT. Today I talk about my picture. It is cool. There are two birds. There are four butterflies. There are one horse, one sheep, and one put. In the sky, I see a cloud and see a sun. Thank you for listening. Bye bye.